The Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus have both just been released by Samsung, and here are their top 5 features. The Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus both have 6.2-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X displays, while the S24 Plus has a 6.7-inch version of the same display with Quad HD Plus resolution. With a maximum manual brightness of 1500 nits and a peak brightness of 2600 nits, both displays this year also include a 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate, which is an improvement over the models from the previous year, which had a maximum manual brightness of just 1200 nits. This is a significant improvement, and on top of that, the bezels on both of these displays are far less than those on models from the previous year. The second one is larger batteries. The 6.2-inch model's battery capacity is 4000 mAh, while the Plus model's battery capacity is 4900 mAh. However, the charging capabilities for the S24 and S24 Plus will remain the same at 45 watt max and 25 watt max. The longest support window for any Android smartphone currently is 7 years, which means you can enjoy the newest feature security updates for as long as you want to hang on to your Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus. The next one is unquestionably the 7 years of Android OS updates. In some areas, the Exynos 2400 processor and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip are the top choices. A processor with 8 cores is the Snapdragon. It's really a 10-core CPU, the Exynos one. In spite of the fact that they both essentially share the same CPU cores, this chip is completely different since it has 4 of the Cortex-A520 cores operating at 1.95 GHz. The Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will also include Galaxy AI as an additional feature. By drawing a circle around anything on the screen, you may use this function to search for it. To start, just touch the Home button or Home bar, then use your finger or the S Pen to search. A term or object may be circled to discover its definition online or to locate a comparable product in the marketplace. Interpreter mode is essentially the following one. This function eliminates the requirement for an internet connection by allowing you to translate any text or voice on the screen in real time when using split screen. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.